For question D, sine 2 theta equal to tan theta. The double angle formula. The left hand side will convert this become to 2 sine theta multiply cos theta by this formula. And I move tan from right to left. It's become to minus tan theta equal to 0 here. Factorizing, common factor will be sine theta, just like the question B. And inside the bracket you got here is 2 cos theta equal to 1 over cos theta, like this one, equal to 0. And this is will be corresponding to two solutions. The first one is one factor will be 0, and the second one will be this, minus 1 over cos theta equal to 0. And how this is the first question and the first equation and the second equation. For the first equation, theta have to become to pi k, so pi here, theta here, 0, possible, 1, okay, 2, that's right. Yeah, the first equation quite easy, but the second one is not easy anymore. You got 2 cos theta equal to 1 over cos theta here. And apply more step for algebraic technique. You got cos square of theta will become to 1 over 2. This means two solutions for this question. Plus or minus 1 over 2 like here. And now 1 by 1. The first one is that it have to be cos theta equal to 1 over square root 2, and the second one, the cos theta here have to be minus 1 over square root 2 by this writing. This is will be theta equal to pi over 4 plus 2 pi k, and the second one is minus pi over 4 plus 2 pi k plus 2 pi k. And for the first, you got only pi over 4 for here, corresponding to k equal to 0. And the next one, you have 2 pi is mean 8, 7 pi over 4, corresponding to k equal to 1. The first equation, you have solution with k equal to 0, and the second one you got k equal to 1. Why you have this result? Because the interval of theta only 0 to 2 pi. And the next theta here, this have to be equal to 3 pi over 4, 2 pi k, and the second one is minus 3 pi over 4 plus 2 pi k plus 2 pi k. And for the first, you got theta equal to 3 pi k, corresponding with k equal to 0. And the second one, you have k equal to 1. K equal to 1, 5 pi over 4. Yeah, corresponding k equal to 1 only. So how many solutions you will have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 solution. 7 solution. Yes. Question E. 2 side. In the question E, you got left hand side and right hand side also be side. This question is very easy. Just like you got the equation only side in terms of side. And this means 3 theta equal to exactly the original 2 pi k. And the second one is 3 theta pi minus 2 theta here. Yeah, that's it. And then the first you got here is theta equal to 2 pi k. And the next one is 5 theta pi plus 2 pi over 3. And the second one, I will subject theta become 2 pi over 5 plus 2 pi k over 5 here. And the first equation, you can substitute that become 2k and theta. Make a substitution value for k 0, 0, 1, 2 pi. That's it. You have no more k anymore. Question 2, k and theta here. The first one is 0, pi over 5. The second one, you got k equal to 1. 3 pi over 5. The next one will be 2 equal to pi. Continue for 3. Here is 3, 7 pi over 5. The next one is 4. Is that possible? I think so. That is possible. 9 over 5. No, this cannot be right. Oh, sorry. It is possible. And how about 5? Yeah, more than 2 pi. 11 pi over 5. This is larger than 2 pi, so that cannot be the right answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 solutions. 6 and 7, you got more 2 solutions in the equation 1. Yeah, that's it. We finished question 8.